into a more contemplative part of the service. We do those active sing-alongs to help make sure our bodies are awake, because we're going to be moving into meditation. We don't want to fall asleep in the meditation, but we also don't want to get phone calls, so now's a great time to turn off your phone. And if you're distracted by the phone for just a second while you're turning it off, I totally get it. Turn it off anyway. Thank you. Before we sing into that meditation, we'll have a reading from Lynn Mikel.
A Meditation on Self by Alison Stormwolf. Who am I? I am not my name, for my name was bestowed on me by others. Who am I? I am not my body, for my body is of the earth, and to the earth it returns. Who am I? I'm not my reflection. This is just a fleeting mirror image of the vessel. And who am I? I am not my thoughts, for my thoughts are as changing as the seasons. Who am I? I am not my actions, for my actions can be disguises to fool others. Who am I? I am not my emotions, for my emotions swing like a weathercock in the wind. Who am I? I am eternal energy, God's child, and a priceless piece of the jigsaw.